Good night. Now, question: Had you ever again? For me, José Rafael Osorio Padilla. Let's go. Had you ever gone to Machu Picchu? Had you ever played the guitar? Had you ever take over 1,000 pictures just one day? Had you ever know a famous star? No. Had you ever exercised at the beach? Yes. Had you ever done a ski? No. Had you ever ridden a motorcycle? No. Had you ever drank tequila? Yes. Had you ever drive a car? Yes. On a pickup. Had you ever read Harry Potter? No. See the picture. Had you ever loved money on the street? Yes. Had you ever studied English before? Yes. In other university. Had you ever done a marathon? No. Had you ever made tacos at home? Yes. Had you ever studied over 15 hours in your office? In office? No. In the restaurant? Yes. Uh, 18 hours. Had you ever been the Great Wall of China? No. Had you ever had an iPhone before? No. I don't like it. iPhone. Had you ever swam with dolphins? No. Had you ever lost your wallet? Yes. Had you ever fallen asleep on your laptop? Yes. All bye.